So today we will be upgrading the RAM of my laptop. This is my Dell I guess Inspiron 15. The stock RAM was of 8 GBs and then I upgraded it to 16 GBs, but somewhere I think right now 16 GBs is also not enough for me. So I got like this had two slots. One slot was having 8 GBs RAM. I upgraded again with one 8 GB chip. Now I've got these two 16 GB chips, which are actually bought from Crucial website, like from Amazon, but these RAM are of Crucial. And yeah, these are of 3200 MTS speed. The stock one was of 3200 MTS, then we added one of 2400 MTS, so the average speed actually came became 2400 MTS only, like it goes down to the lower speed RAM. Let's open this laptop. Soon I'll be upgrading the SSD as well. Actually the SSD is smaller in this laptop. I purchased it like 2 years back, so the cost of this laptop was I guess 70,000, 8 GBs RAM, 4 GBs graphic card, NVIDIA graphics card, 256 GB SSD and 1 TB of hard disk, and i5 12th generation. 12th generation was the newer one then. And yeah, this laptop actually works good. I don't have any issues with it, but recently Windows has been crashing a lot. I guess it is because of the SSD itself, that the SSD is small and it's getting filled up very easily. So yeah, actually SSD's upgrade is a priority for this laptop, because like RAM is not a big issue. SSD is, if you don't have space, then that's a problem. These are the two chips. This is of Crucial and this is of Samsung. Let's just open this. Yeah, this is of Samsung. It's wonderful. I'll be selling these two chips, so if anyone of you wants these 8 GBs, I can maybe give it to you. You can contact me. Now let's install the 16 gigs one. So whenever you purchase RAMs from Amazon, actually the RAM is non-returnable thing, because there can be any damage that can happen to these chips. These chips are very fragile. So yeah, okay, one is placed. The other one, my hands are shaking. I'll be trying to refix this because I'm feeling it's okay. It's not loose, it's fine. Both the RAMs are in the place, and before connecting my, like turning my laptop on, sorry, before again screwing the okay, what should I say, I don't know. We'll be testing the RAM once before attaching all the screws. This is the Dell Inspiron 15 3520. At some places I saw this laptop has 4 gigabytes of RAM by standard, but I think they upgraded it to 8 GBs for in my case. Yeah. Turning it on. There seems to be an issue. Why is it not turning on? Okay, it turned on. The amount of system memory has been changed. Continue. Wonderful. This is 8 GB. This is another 8 GBs. So if you guys want to purchase RAM, these RAMs are well tested. Like the Samsung one is the stock one, and this is the one that I bought from Crucial. This is 8 GBs, this is 8 GBs, these are 16 GBs. If you want to build custom like do some customization with your laptops, then you can contact me. Wonderful. Now let's go to the task manager and let's go to performance and let's go to memory. So now we can see 3200 MTS, in use is 6.2, 6.7, available is 24.8 GBs, so it adds up to like 30 GBs. Memory usage 31.7 GBs. Okay, it's not 30, it's 31.7 GB. So let's now attach all screws. Make sure that you don't apply too much of pressure on the screws, because some bodies of laptops are actually, they have plastic bodies, so in that case either the screw will get ruined or your laptop body. So just apply a little pressure on the screws and that's it. This is done. If you enjoyed this video and if you learned something, then please consider subscribing to my channel and give it a like, give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video.